Welcome to our channel. Today we are diving into the world of metal wall decoration, an exciting and versatile way to enhance any space. Metal wall art is not just about adding visual appeal. It is a fantastic medium to bring texture, dimension, and a touch of sonification to your integrate from sleek modern designs to integrate vintage inspired pieces, metal decoration, other endless possibilities, imagination to bold geometry, metal sculpture, and comments. Attention in your living room are to dedicate laser cut designs and add elegance to your bedrooms. Not only metal spaces provide durability and timeless quality, but they are also reflect light beautifully, creating dynamics visual effect. In this video we will explore various metal wall decoration idea from DIY project from can tackle at home to crafted pieces from beyond artistic, and you are aiming in for industrial stick or more rustic charm. We will cover tips on choosing the right metals, incorporating color and trick for a more rustic charm. We will cover tips on choosing that right metal, incorporating color and finish, pairing metal art with other design elements, so stay tuned to transform ordinary walls into extraordinary focal points with the incredible versatility of metal wall of art. Fire, let's explore the allure of geometric pattern art. These lines our scrap angles create the sticking contact against traditional wall finish limit. A large abstract metal sculpture is a focal point in your living room. It is not about at a board teaser for the enhance your space breadth and dimension. Your space for those appropriate minimalist geometric designs can be paired with natural color pattern maintains phonificated uncutted look. Next up we have to charm a nature inspired. Think leafy greens, bloom bullets for majestic teas for the crafted from materials being a touch of outdoor insight. These species can add a warmth of sense tranquility to your home, making them perfect for space like a cozy, cleedy nook or claiming bedrooms using metals with everything finished such as brush, brass, painted copper with the creative, beautiful contract and nature of to your decors for more rustic in industrial whips. Consider incorporating metals into your reclaimed materials like cold gear. Scrap metal can be transformed into unique one of a kind pieces and tell a story. These upcycle creation not only add a character but also serve as conversion. They are ideal for adding edges, touch for hidden soft industrial space for your drawn to more contemporary styles. Fantastic cut metals might for just to looking for those designs for range from intricate pattern to bold decent pieces, patience for laser cutting layout to details and delicate design with complement modern furniture for the often texture vibrant finishes for metallic catch for light to create dynamic visual effect. Now let's talk about the integrate metal wallet into exciting decor. Consider creating gallery wall with mixed metal wall decorative items. Combining different textures such as matter with wood or fabric can be layer of interest and make your display truly stand out. Alternative, more cohesive look. Choose metal pieces which complement your home color to scheme and designs to theme. Another exciting trend to customizable metal wallet. Many artistic complements offer options, personalization, metal decors with names, dates, and custom designs. Approach allow to create unique meaningful pieces and perfect for your personal style to corporate specials occupations find it forget a practical aspect of metals decoration. Addition, their aesthetic appeals from metal art pieces or function. Wall-mounted metal shelves as hooks serve as core decorative items for practical storage solution. Merge for the functions seamlessly, incorporating metal wall art into your home offers endless possibilities or creativity expression. Either you are choose geometric designs, nature-inspired pieces, rustic elements, or contemporary creations. Metal can be elevate your space with the added touch of elegance. We hope you enjoyed this exploration. Metal wall art ideas. If you have the options to need to inspirations, feel more leaves. Comment below. Do not forget to like and hit notification bell to serve as missed update. Thanks for watching, and we will see you the next video. These can be remerged into unique, eye-catching art pieces. The beauty of nature lies durability, timeless appeals, making its lasting investment of your home. Push for the various finish like brush, steels, copper, and metal. DIY enthusiasts ready to create your own masterpieces. Are you searching for ready-made art of elevate your space? Major wall decoration offers phonification and creativity to enhance your home. Stay tuned as we dive into some fantastic ideas to keep incorporating metal into your decor. By the end of this video, you have either inspiration and complement classic bedroom to create stunning metal wall art decoration that elevates your home aesthetic. So stay tuned as we embark on this exciting journey into the world of metal wall art. Thank you so much for watching this video. Kindly like and subscribe my channel.